Hello, dear students, and welcome to English for Palestine. The topic for today is for grade 12. It's about writing. Pupils Book, Unit 1, Period 6, page 12. Writing. Writing an application form. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you are expected to recognize the meaning of an application form, identify the main components of an application form, complete an application form with specific words or phrases, and finally, you should be able to write your own application form. Of course, it should be written to a university or a college. First, the definition of an application form. What is it? An application form is a formal written request for joining something such as a course, a job, or membership of what? Of an organization in which a candidate or a person who wants to join describes his or her skills, qualifications, interests, and experiences. Second, what are the components or the parts of an application form? An application form should contain these main parts: your name, your age, then the title of a course you are applying for, then the applicant's interests, hobbies, and skills, then your education. What are you studying now? Then it's good to talk about your experience, your future goals, what are the benefits for joining this course, and finally, any written form should have a conclusion. This is the sample which exists in your textbook. Let's go and fill it. Complete the application form. It's an application written to the International College for Scientific Research, ICSR, International College for Scientific Research. Let's see, do the parts exist? Do the main components exist here? We have the name, Maria Pendleton. The age is 18. And the title. The title here, the title of the course you are applying for. You are applying for example, Environment Studies. Then, now please explain in about 200 words your reasons for choosing this course, your experience in the field, and how you expect your interests in the subject to develop. This is the form of the question that you 12th graders will be asked in the exams. And by the way, this is for literary and commercial students. So after writing your name, your age, and title, now let's move to the qualifications and interests. It's good to start with, I'm applying for this course because I have been interested in the subject of the environment for many years, and I'd like to work in this field as a career in the future. That's his interest or qualification. Now, the experience. I have been reading books about environmental science since I was 9 years old, so I know quite a lot about the basic ideas, but I need to extend what I already know. Here he's talking about his experience. Now, let's see how is she or he talking about education. At the moment, I'm studying biology, geography, and English as my main subjects at school, and I believe these subjects will all be useful in the career I have chosen. Since I started secondary school, I have been a member of the School Environment Society and have been president of the society for the last 2 years. Pay attention to. The title should goes up with the subjects and the experiences that you are supporting or you are talking about. Let's continue now with the future goals for joining this course. After finishing my final exams in June, I plan to spend a year doing this course, and I will then apply to university to study environmental science. My general aim is to study climate change and especially its impact on ocean life. I believe this is one of the most important problems that we face in the 21st century. Now, let's move to the conclusion. I hope my application is successful and I'm looking forward to studying at your college. The end here. Let's see another example. Write an application form for the International College for Scientific Research about information technology. Explain your reasons for choosing this course, your experience in the field, and how you expect your interest in the subject to develop. Now, let's see how should you answer this question. You should start with the name of the institution that you are applying for, International College for Scientific Research application form. Now, your name, for example, Ahmed Shaheen here. Your age is 18. And the title, of course, you are applying for is what? Information technology. Starting now talking about the experiences and hobbies. I'm applying for this course because I am interested in technology and I hope it will be useful for my career in the future. You see, it's very simple. I studied a lot about it and I hope to extend my experience. So I am applying for it. I am studying maths and technology at school. Now he's talking about his education. My general aim is to study information technology, IT, especially its impact on education and the nature of work. Here he is talking about what? His goals. Now, here we have the conclusion. I hope my application will be successful and I'm looking forward to studying at your college. You see, it's very simple here. Let's see the task. You are Hisham Ali. You are 18. The British Council has started registration for an advanced course in learning English. You are interested in the idea and you want to know more about the course. Now, write an application form to the British Council requesting to join this course. You may be asked in exams to write, for example, 200 words, etc. And it's important to stick to the point. Now, what should your application form, what should it have? Here, you have your name, your age, and the institution that you are writing for. You can write it at the beginning. Then, you have the title of the course that you are applying for, which is Learning English. First, explain why you are writing. Then, say what you are studying now. Then, state your interests and skills. And finally, say how it will help you in the future. Don't forget to conclude your application form. That's it for today. See you next time. Goodbye.